Halong Bay, located in northeastern Vietnam, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site renowned for its breathtaking natural beauty and unique geological formations. Spanning an area of approximately 1,553 square kilometers and including around 1,600 islands and islets, the bay is a mesmerizing seascape of limestone pillars, emerald waters, and dense jungle vegetation. The name Ha Long translates to descending dragon, a nod to the local legend that the bay was formed by a dragon that descended from the heavens, creating valleys and crevices with its tail. This myth adds a layer of mystique to the already enchanting landscape. The bay's limestone karsts and isles have been formed over millions of years, shaped by the forces of wind, water, and tectonic activity. These geological processes have resulted in a variety of formations, including towering pillars, secluded coves, and intricate cave systems. Some of the most famous caves in Ha Long Bay include Sung Sat Cave, known for its expansive chambers and impressive stalactites and stalagmites, and Tien Kung Cave, which features a labyrinth of stunning rock formations illuminated by soft, colorful lights. The water in Ha Long Bay is a striking shade of emerald green, and it is home to a diverse array of marine life, including various species of fish, mollusks, and coral. The bay's unique ecosystem supports a rich biodiversity, with mangroves, seagrass beds, and tropical forests providing habitats for many rare and endangered species. One of the best ways to experience Ha Long Bay's beauty is by taking a boat tour, which allows visitors to navigate through the islands and explore the hidden gems of the bay. Cruises range from traditional wooden junks to luxurious modern yachts, each offering a different perspective on the bay's scenic splendor. Kayaking is another popular activity, providing an up-close and personal way to explore the tranquil waters and secret lagoons of Ha Long Bay. Conservation efforts are ongoing to preserve the pristine environment of Ha Long Bay. The local authorities have implemented measures to protect the bay's natural resources and promote sustainable tourism practices. Initiatives include waste management programs, regulations on fishing activities, and educational campaigns to raise awareness about the importance of preserving this natural wonder. Ha Long Bay's combination of geological marvels, rich biodiversity, and cultural significance makes it a must-visit destination for nature lovers and adventurers alike.